is Julie King, and I'm a Vice President within Software Group for Consumability. I'm a distinguished engineer, and I chair the Software Group Architecture Board. As a corporation, and certainly as a software group, we want to make our people as efficient as they can to create the types of products that excite our customers. How do you make an organization that is that large, that dispersed, that geographically distributed across the planet? How do you make them more efficient when, they're not all on the same aisle? So what we have found is that we really have to take explicit actions to improve their efficiency. And so we have improved our communication, but we've also looked at improving the processes and improving the collaboration and also the asset reuse. We've started to promote the idea of Agile development. And I do say promote, not mandate. What we found is that by promoting with our teams the idea of Agile practices, we provided coaches, we had a center of competence. So it was right about the same time which we started Agile coaching that we also made our Rational Team Concert product available to our teams. We have seen almost viral growth of that use of the tool and the use of the process within IBM. So that now 80% of our teams use Agile practices. We have 57,000 users of RTC. We have 346 product areas which are using RTC. The teams are migrating to the tool of choice and to the approach of choice, and so we're really seeing some benefit from that. One of the things that they really enjoyed about RTC is the visibility they have to the team progress. You get such transparency of the work items that are done, the work items which are still needing to be done. The fact that also they could collaborate well within the context of the work, that was very key. Once we have teams who are collaborating more, you start to find other opportunities to capitalize on that collaboration. And one place that I would want to discuss would be what we have achieved with component reuse and then asset reuse. If you reuse code, you typically get better quality, you reduce the risk of your development effort, you get better productivity, more consistency for your user experience. What we've decided to do is create a site inside IBM within our firewalls where it would mimic an open source environment. You can create your own projects, you can share those projects with others, you get the visibility to the code, you can make your decisions about whether to use it. What we use as an infrastructure site to form Community Source is a combination of Rational Team Concert, Rational Asset Manager, and Connections. Only in the 3 years that we've had the system up, we have over 80,000 assets in there, and it's supporting 7,000 downloads a week of assets. We think we've saved over $300 million in cost by doing these kinds of things. We see a 15% improvement in our revenue per developer headcount. I mean, these are very real and tangible benefits that we think we've gotten from improvements in our processes and approaches. I mean, we can now then get the benefits of being a small, agile startup by being a community of many agile communities within IBM. So we're not only improving our productivity, but we're also improving our quality. And our customers are going to like that.